Here's a tea blend recipe for peace with chamomile. Chamomile is well known for its calming and soothing properties, making it an ideal ingredient in a tea blend designed to promote peace and relaxation. Here's a simple yet delightful tea blend recipe that combines chamomile with other calming herbs to help you unwind, reduce stress, and create a peaceful environment. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers, 1 teaspoon of dried lavender flowers, known for relaxing properties, 1 teaspoon of dried lemon balm, which helps reduce anxiety and promotes relaxation, a half a teaspoon of dried rose petals, which adds a soft, calming aroma and aids in emotional balance, a half a teaspoon of dried peppermint, which adds a refreshing touch, known for its ability to ease tension, 1 to 2 slices of fresh ginger, which is optional, for a gentle warming touch. The instructions tell us to combine the herbs, mixing and blending them evenly. Place 1 to 2 teaspoons of the herbal blend into a tea infuser or tea bag. You can adjust depending on how strong you want the flavor to be. Bring about 8 ounces of water to a boil and allow them to steep 5 to 7 minutes. You can add fresh ginger at this point. Serve and enjoy. You can read about the benefits of each of these herbs in the article. This tea is perfect for winding down after a busy day or creating a peaceful ritual before bed. Sip it slowly and mindfully to truly embrace the serenity it offers. I hope you enjoy these tea blends. Check back each month as we'll have a new one for you here in our blog.